Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Workload Assessment Creation Tutorial. After successful registration, click Plus to create your own assessment. Give your assessment a name. Choose your source data store. Let's include execution logs as well. And stored procedures. Select the target platform you want to migrate to. Upload DDL and schema optimization file to get recommendations for designing optimized schemas such as distribution style, dist keys, sort keys and more. Define your custom filters which acts as threshold for generating relevant recommendations as per your use case. Execute your assessment. It appears on the list. Once it is completed, you will receive an email and also its status is checked to success. Thanks for watching.